In this video, I am going to show you how to do the setup of your Canon Pixma G6020 printer with a Windows laptop. Now first thing is to connect this printer with the Wi-Fi network of your home. So go to the printer screen, click on the setting icon. Now click OK, Wi-Fi setup. Scroll ahead, select manual connect. It will display the list of Wi-Fi networks. Select your network and click OK. Press OK to enter the password. You can use this setting icon to select the uppercase, lowercase, numbers, alphabets and special characters. And once you enter anything, you can click OK. Then look for another digit or number and click OK. So once you enter your full password, press and hold the OK button to apply the password. Once you complete the Wi-Fi setup, go to your Windows laptop. Now go to the web browser and type in Canon IJ setup. Select Canon official manuals. Start setup here. Type in your model number, that is G6020. Select it, go. You will see your printer. Click start. Scroll ahead and number 2, connect. Click on the download. Open this file. Click start setup. Click next. Click yes. Agree with the terms and conditions. Select the connection type. Click yes because it is already connected with the Wi-Fi. Click next. Setup is complete. Click next. Installation is complete. Click exit button. Go to the settings, Bluetooth and devices. Select printers and scanners. We have to add this printer, so click add device. And you will see Canon 6000 series printer, scanner. So just select multifunction printer and click on the add device. It says your printer is ready. So if you look down, you will see the Canon 6000 series. Select it. You should be able to see some things here. For example, print test page. If you click on that, it will send a command for the printer. So it has printed the Windows printer test page. Go to the settings, select Canon utilities, scan utility. Place the page facing downwards. In this window you have to just click if you want auto, if you want document to PDF, whatever you want you can do here. For example, document to PDF. So it will start the scanning. If you want to add more scans, you can do it, or click on the exit and it will display the scanned item on the next page. From here you can save it or you can share it. So this way we can do the setup of this printer with Windows 10 laptop, and then we can start using it for wireless printing and scanning. Thanks for watching.